It's that time of year. We're gonna make a roasted rack of pork and or grilled pork chop. Grilled applesauce and glazed roasted Brussels sprouts and carrots and mushrooms in the pizza oven and baby tossed on the grill after that. But this is a holiday dish. It's festive. Happy holidays. Beautiful, right? Look at that, beautiful. We're gonna roast this as a whole roast, and we're also gonna cook a couple chops. Look at this beautiful meat. See this fat? Look at this. Just gonna cut some of it all down. Then I'm gonna score this. No salt, a lot of salt. Rub it in, pepper, rub it in. And we're gonna put this on. See that little trick? Get the bones off here, they won't turn black. See, now the flames are helping the apples. Now the applesauce recipe, 1996. That sauce was part of a pork dish that won Best Dish in America, USA Today by moi. So we're just getting a little char on it, like this, and then we're gonna move it over there. Applesauce needs apple cider. We got some cider vinegar. You can also use lemon juice. Bay leaf, star anise, clove, cinnamon. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of shallot, and some red chilies. So we got the grilled ice. See how tender they are? Look at this, mushy. Some of them are charred, some aren't. Now we're gonna move this over to the burner. And you'll see, look at what's coming out of here already. This will be boiling in less than 90 seconds. A cast iron pan, olive oil, salt, pepper, raw veggie, wood roasted veggies, right? So I'm gonna put the lid back in because I wanna smoke these veggies. Now when you salt meat for the grill, you gotta understand pepper. Some of it's gonna fall off. So it looks like I'm using a lot, but some of it falls off. So pat it in. I'm gonna put 2 up here and 2 on the bottom. And look at that, you see the cider and we didn't add extra sugar. The sugar's coming from the fruit and the apple juice. Look at that. When you're cooking with the wood here, the wood's really hot too. It's gonna carry into the house. That's like the holiday thing, you know? So now we're gonna add other things. A little garlic, some fresh thyme, and mushrooms, because the mushrooms now will add water. And the mushrooms adding water will mean the browning will stop a little bit because now you'll start to stew. You could also add a little touch more olive oil, but back in. Oh, it smells good. A little thick. Here's our vegetables. Fresh here, a little bit of extra lemon zest. Cooked. Brussels sprouts, carrots. A little bit of garlic. We put a little lemon wedge right here. This is a Christmas pork chop. Santa Claus must be around because look at this. We're done.